Hey guys, what's up? So, today I'm going to be doing a video that I've seen a couple of times, and it's my dog picks my makeup. So I do have my dog on my lap right now because I need to take a thumbnail with her, but she's not smiling, so she looks really depressed. So I'm waiting till she smiles and then we'll take the It'd be great if you could be quiet. Thanks. So, yep, we're waiting till she smiles and then we can take her thumbnail. But I'm not going to ramble on for too much, right? I just need to quickly say I've only been uploading once a week recently because I'm filming the videos I'm filming. I'm taking so long to film, it takes me so long to edit them. Like, I saw one of my favourite YouTubers on one of her vlogs, who's been doing YouTube for like 5 years, being like, oh, I have to edit, my longest video takes 45 minutes. I'm like, 45 minutes? One of mine has been 2 hours, that took me like 4 hours to edit, okay? So I'm gonna try to keep this short. Oh my goodness, she's smiling. We're gonna go on. I think I've explained what we're doing. I think you guys sort of understand what we're doing, so we're gonna go straight on into the video and start with, I think I'm gonna start with my eyebrows today. Yes. Okay, right, let's go. No, right. Your bum's a bit in the way there, look at these, but we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ready? So we've got a treat if you choose one. Oh yes, you've chosen one. Well done, good girl. So she just licked this one here, so we're going to be using this one. So Mika chose the Obsessions eyebrow pomade, which is what I use normally. I'm going to try my hardest to do my eyebrows quickly today because normally they take me forever. And I also need to, I really need to do this eyebrow because like this eyebrow is fine, it's in the shape of what I do for my eyebrows, so it's really easy to do, but this one I have to like reconstruct it and there's so much hair there I cannot do it. So this might take me a while, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Because it might take me a while, I'm gonna switch the camera off and I'll come back to you when they're done. Brows are just about done. This one's completely done. This one is a mess. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take concealer. I didn't actually let my dog pick my concealer because I only have one which has anything in it at the moment. And it still has pretty much nothing in it. So I do need to go get new concealer. It's like, that's how much is in it. Like, but I'm going to take this concealer and clean up this brow and just clean up under this brow. I'm going to go off to go get my mum's concealer. I haven't used my mum's concealer, bearing in mind it's like 10 shades too dark for me. Like, very too dark, but okay. They are my eyebrows done. They now look even, they look about the same shape. I know on camera it doesn't look it because this too dark concealer is casting shadows, but hopefully once I've got my foundation on and once I neaten it up with foundation possibly, they might look a bit better, but for just now, they don't look that great. So, we're just gonna hope and pray that it gets better. Anywho. I'm actually doing my makeup in such a weird order today. I'm gonna go into my eyes. I've never actually done this before. There you go, you've got 4 down. One of these, please. Oh, one of these, please. One of these. One of these. One of these ones. Should we move them over? Oh no, you're moving over this way. One of these. Ready? Oh no, you licked me, not the palette. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. One of these ones. One of these ones. One of these, I see. One of these ones. One of these ones. Okay, right, okay. We'll choose this one. So she just laid down with both her paws on this. So we're gonna go for this. But it's because I don't want to wet my beauty blender, so I'm like putting it off. My doggy chose the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which I'm actually quite grateful for because I do not use this enough. I'm gonna do a look that's very simple. It's got like 2, maybe 3 colours just to keep this video short. But I also think it would look really nice. I'm just gonna start off by popping something on my eyelids. I've got no idea what because I didn't have anything to put on it. Nothing in that concealer. Let's try this one. Nothing in that one either. Right. Yeah, literally there's nothing in these concealers, but I've put what I can down. I'm going to start by taking actually the second lightest shade, Chaser, and I'm just setting it all down. I swear to lose everything. Low hat spectrum brush, where are you at? I need you. Okay, I can't find you. If I've lost that brush, I'm actually going to be so annoyed. Okay, well I can't find my spectrum brush, so I'm just going to have to use this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take Low Blow and put it in my crease and all over my lid. Now I'm going to take He Devil, this one here, on a much smaller and denser brush and just run it sort of along my lash line and smoke it up. So that one wasn't quite dark enough, so I'm just going to take Infungo, I think you pronounce it, and run it a lot closer this time, but still like quite smoky, if you get what I mean. Like, so I'm not putting it as far up, but I'm still smoking it out. I feel like if I use different colours I could get this like really nice. It's just because I obviously have to use this palette and the shades are not the shades I needed, if you know what I mean. Lastly, I'm going to take the darkest shade in this palette, which is Ashes, on a tiny little brush and put it right up my lash line. That's eyes done. It's very dark and smoky, and I feel like this would look really nice with this pair of eyelashes. Like, I feel like my only trouble with it is this palette I couldn't really do it with because there wasn't enough varying shades. You know what I mean? This one, it just ended up looking a lot more smoky than anything. So I feel like this pair of eyelashes would look really nice with it, and I would add them. I don't have any eyelash glue, so I can't. But yeah, I'm just going to leave the eyes like this for now. I do quite like them. I feel like it does look quite smoky, it does look quite nice, but I would prefer it with a different palette. Well, onto her face. Right, ready? This one. This one. This one. Right, this one. Did you just sniff that one? Did you sniff that one? I think you did. I'm not sure. God, pick one. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Oh, did you just want that? Okay, right. We're going with this one because I think she sniffed it and she just pawed it. This is so much more difficult. We are using the Revolution Stick Foundation in F1. I'm also going to have to use this as my concealer a little bit because my concealer has run out, as you saw. I am going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and sort of try and warm it up a bit. The back of my hand, and take my finger and just push it right into the middle of my under eyes, because with like a big brush and that, it's harder to get in there, and obviously I'm trying to use it as concealer as well. So I'm just gonna go straight in and set this. We're on to powder, so we've got this one, this one, this one, or this one. Oh, again, she sniffed that one, but it might be because I just put it down next to her, right? Oh, no. We're gonna go with this one because, yes, she just sniffed it, but also I thought at first she was just sniffing it because, you know, it's the first one I put down, but then she went back in for a second sniff. So we're going with this one. It's a very dewy foundation, or like, yeah, dewy foundation, and I feel like it doesn't even look on camera, but I feel like it'll slip about a bit and it might crease under my eyes quickly, because I do have quite deep under eye lines. On to bronzer. So we have got this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yeah. One of these would be great, Meeks. One of these. Oh, you stood on that one. We're going with this one. Hello. So she just stood on this one. It was by mistake, but she stood on it, so we're going with it. My dog chose the Little Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. So I'm going to be using the bronzer out of here. I'm switching up the brushes I'm using today because I want to see, you know, if I like applying product with different brushes. See, I'd normally apply blush with this, but I'm going to see if I like applying it for bronzer. It definitely like bronzes over my face more, which I guess is what bronzer is meant to do, like warm you up. I normally use more of an angled brush, like a contour brush, and put it more precise, but this is getting around my face more, I guess. I think I prefer using this brush. It's definitely nowhere near as precise, so it wouldn't be good for like contour, but I don't contour, I bronze. Let's move on to blush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? One of these for, please. One of these. One of these. One of these. No! Oh, we almost got one. You almost got one. No, no. You just sniffed that. You just sniffed that. I saw you. I saw you. One of these. Come on, pot. Sniff it. Do something. One of these. Oh, yes! Yes! Well done! Okay, so then she flipped this one over, so this is the one we were going with. My dog chose the soft blush from Collection, and it's in the shade Bashful. This is very pigmented, so I'm going to have to be careful. Again, I think I prefer using blush with this brush, so that's great. We're just swapping them over. And then now for highlight. We're going to pick them, ready? So 1, again, she's in the way. 2, 3, 4. Okay, if we get a treat out, we're going to choose one, aren't you? Got a treat in his hand. Right. What one of these are you going to choose? What one of these are you going to choose? Got a treat in his hand. I've got a treat in his hand. I've got a treat in his hand. I do. So come and choose them. Come and choose them. I can't see if she stood on that. Did you guys see if she stood on it? Because I didn't. So we're not going to choose it. Oh, you definitely stood on it that time. You did. Okay, good girl. So she stood on this e.l.f. palette. So we're going to be using this for highlighter. What did my dog choose again? Ooh, I can't remember. Oh yeah, I did. She chose this e.l.f. Illuminating palette. I'm going to be using the lightest shade of this. This isn't really highlighty, it more just gives your skin a sheen almost. It's not really a highlight, it's almost like a strobing thing. Do you know what I mean? Like it gives your skin a sheen. Do you see what I mean? It just gives it a sheen, it doesn't really give it a highlight. It is pretty though, I just don't reach for it that much. Like it makes your skin look really pretty. It is quite powdery though. Now that's done, I'm going to move back up to the eyes and I'm going to take a tiny little brush and I'm going to go back in with that darkest shade and put it really, really close to the lash line. I'm just kind of mirroring, oh my god, what I did on the top lash line. So next up I'm going to take this one, mixing it with a bit of the He Devil. Oh goodness. And lastly, taking that low blow shade and really, really smoking it out. I'm using a really big brush now. Sorry guys, my phone ran out of charge, but what I have done while you were away is I've added the mascara my dog chose. So we've got Benefit, Maybelline, Barry M and Collection. Okay, what one are you going for? Out of these? What one out of these? Got the treat in this hand. Out of these, please choose. Please choose. Oh, oh, oh! You just bit it. Okay, we're going with this one. Ow! It's not even like she's choosing these products because she's not paying any attention to them. Which was the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. This mascara is insane. I just added a little bit of inner corner highlight. Now I've got the mascara on. I really like this eye look. I think it maybe looks a bit weird on camera, I feel like, because of the light, but I love it in real life. But anyway, I'm going to add the lipstick my dog chose. Sorry. You're a little bit in the way though, Mika Mouse. Not too high. So if you sit there. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's a lot here. So you should be able to choose one. What one are you going to choose? What one are you going to choose? Gonna go down? What one are you going to choose? What one are you going to choose? Are you gonna, oh, oh, what one are you? Oh, oh, you're not on any. Oh, oh, you moved it. We're going with that one. Okay. So she moved this one here, the Revolution Pro lipstick in the shade Charade. So you're going with this. I had so many colours. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to change to this one. So you know how I was saying, you're gonna come down with me. See if you, right. So you know how I was saying, excuse my hair please. You know how I was saying she's not showing any interest in any. I'm having to coax her around with treats and like whatever one she happens to stand on is the one I choose. So she accidentally stood on this one, but once I fed her the treat, she like put her mouth around this and licked it. So I feel like this is the one product she's actually shown interest in, so I feel like we should use it. Which is Tanya Burr Liquid Lipstick and Martha Moo. I am now very aware that this does not go with this eye look. And I have also now realised that the skin, because the foundation is quite dewy and glowy, the highlight isn't, it's quite like illuminating and quite like your skin but better. The blush is like peachy and shimmery. If we don't have too much bronzer on, I feel like it's a very spring summer spray like base, like skin look, but then my eyes are very dark and grungy. I feel like we've gone from one extreme to another here. So we're just going to pop this lip on and hope that it looks alright with this. So that's this lip on. It definitely doesn't suit the eye look, but I don't think it looks too bad. I'm not sure. This is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy. And remember, say it with me now, subscribe, see more content from me. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.